Okay, this is for Boy Sam because he didn't like the other one. Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna do it this way. You. No, I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. And don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? I can't see, I'm so blind. I've learned to live half alive. And now I can't do it, I'm too blind.